Hey there, friends, family, and neighbors. It's Mr. Rogers, your neighborhood car guy, coming at you from McConnell Chevrolet, Sonoma County's best kept secret, here in the heart of wine country in Sonoma County. Healdsburg wanted to go over this 2019 Tahoe LT. It is the Pepperdust, gorgeous color. As you can see, it does have the park sensors in the front. Come back around, it does have the 22-inch wheels that are an option. Running boards. This one has the towing mirrors added. You have the color matched door handles with proximity key. Come back around here. On the rear, you have the rear parking sensors. You can see the little dots in the bumper there. Those are your sensors. Right in the middle there, you have that little cover that covers the tow package, the hitch and everything. Power lift gate. Let's give this a quick squeeze. Pops up on its own. Now the third row is down right now. You have this nice WeatherTech cargo mat there. You have the controls right here for the third row seating to either lift them up, you could drop them down, and then you have the second row drop and tumble. So plenty of room, plenty of cargo. Once you're done, you have a little button right here to drop that rear hatch. You have the rear windshield wiper. It's hidden underneath the spoiler, so it looks nice and clean. Love this color. Depending on what angle you look at it, it can change to like 4 different colors. It definitely was my favorite when they had this available. Come back around, open this up. You do have the beautiful leather interior, ebony with the wood trim, 10-way power seats. You do have the Bose surround sound stereo, memory seats 1 and 2, power windows, power locks, collapsible mirrors. Over here you have your automatic lights, your 4-wheel drive, your trailer brakes, power adjustable pedals, lane keep. Come back around to the power telescoping wheel, up, down, in, and out. Come back around, cruise control. See if you can see this upside down. You have the forward collision alert here, heated steering wheel there. Now this does have the heated seats for both sides. Push button start. Touch screen radio. Now with the Tahoes, you do have a little hidey hole behind the stereo. You can charge your cell phone there. Airbags, 2 in the dash. You have the side impact in the seats. You have the head curtains that go all the way back to the back lift gate. There's too many things to list. The main thing that I did want to show you, if I can, if this will pick it up, this vehicle only has 19,485 miles on it. It is barely broken in. It's waiting for you to come see it, drive it, take the family out on vacation in it. You do have the WeatherTech mats all the way around. I'm just coming up with more and more stuff to show you. Come on down, check it out for yourself. Find the hidden gems about this vehicle. 1395 Healdsburg Avenue, Healdsburg, California, heart of Sonoma County wine country. We're looking forward to see you guys. We'll see you soon.